After passing out higher education, I was looking for a part-time course in hardware networking. I was really interested in networking at that time. In that period of time, I got a call from one of my college friend. He was saying that, Sandeep, are you looking for a job opportunity in networking? I said, I am looking for a course, not a job opportunity. He said, I have one friend who is working in company, and I know him well. He can help you in that. In that company, they will train you at the initial stage. Once you get trained, your future will be bright. I said, okay, but will they hire me because I am fresher? I don't have any experience in that. He said, don't worry, he is my good friend. He will take care of it. Do one thing, meet me tomorrow by 10 a.m. We will directly go to his office and talk to him. I said, okay. I was very excited. I was started picturing myself as a system administrator. Now I will have a good office environment and good colleagues, parties, financial freedom. All of these things were going into my head. Even I don't, even I didn't have the resume also at that time. Then he said, okay, don't worry, we'll see tomorrow. We arrived at the place. I thought it would be a company or a place where interviews would have been going on, but that was a venue, and people were greeting and welcoming the visitors. I was shocked at that time, really. I asked him, uh, is it the right place? And this is the place you were talking about yesterday? Where is the company? What the hell is going on? Then he said, bro, this is the networking business, and let get inside first. We'll attend the seminar, and then we'll discuss. I am your friend. Don't worry. Relax. Then I immediately said to myself, if you have such kind of friends, there is no need of enemies at all. We have attended the seminar. We came out, and they were started showing me the business plans and sharing their success stories, and they invited me to join this company as soon as possible. Really, I don't have I didn't have any idea what to reply. All of a sudden, one excuse entered into my head, and I said that I don't have money right now. Please borrow me. Once I started earning, I will definitely going to pay you back. And I knew that they were not accept this. uh, so that was the excuse to not joining that company. Later on, I came to know that that friend who had invited me to join that company, he was trying very hard to get the members, and he was very facing very trouble to take out his invested money back. So there is one question, why he joined that company? Let me take you in that scenario where they were showing me their business plans and success stories. By doing this, they get many members, But is it right to take the decision on basis of temporary motivation? What is motivation? Motivation is just a state of mind for me. In that state of mind, you will have some motive to do something. That's it. If you are taking a decision on basis of temporary state of mind, which can be changed at any moment in the future. Same thing happened with my friend. He might have realized his mistake, but I'm not sure that he might have aware that why he joined that company, why he made that mistake. That is the most important thing. Why? Because if he knows that why he made that mistake, that in future he will not repeat that mistake again. So by this experience, by sharing this experience, I have tried to explain you. So why not take why do not take a decision on temporary state of mind? How to take a right decision? We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay motivated, be cool.